yeah, I came across a video today on Instagram. Just scrolling through, and there was a sponsored advert, and it was a VST, and essentially you put notes in there. It's for creators writers block, they call it, and you put your notes in, and it kind of randomizes stuff and all that, and then it like creates like a melody or some group sets of chords or anything like that. And I just thought, you know, that would be probably like quite a bit of money. Like you're talking like £100 plus for stuff like that, and you can essentially do the same thing in Logic here, and I'm gonna show you now. I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm not gonna get into any really technicals or anything like that, but it's for people, who's starting out, that kind of thing. So yeah, if it's intuitive, like let me know, and I can do some more of these kind of things. I like kind of sharing knowledge. So yeah, so let's get on. Enough talking. So I'll create kind of like a piano line and melody. Like I'm not very good at piano, so this has been very useful for me in the past. So we're just gonna use a piano, just like the software instrument, dead easy 4 bar kind of music loop, and I'm gonna show you. So we got our tools here, and you bring up the piano roll. So if you want to know a shortcut, it's P for piano roll. You bring up the shortcut, and here's your grid, and we're looking at these tools here, and specifically the brush tool is our friend today. So you click the brush tool, and really depends. You can. This is where it gets interesting. You get your scale quantize and stuff like this, so you can put some notes in. Oh, wait, actually, the easiest thing to do first is probably to put it on 1/2 note, because then we've got some play with the chords. I'm just gonna quickly write a masterpiece. I now dear would be proud. And yeah, so if you go back, you kind of highlight everything back on your brush tool. You don't have to do that, and you can choose basically what key you want it in. So say if we want the key of F, and this is where it is fun. You've got all these scales, and if you don't know what they are, obviously just play around with them and just see what it sounds like. But I'm just gonna go, from major. Sorry, and yeah, and and you quantize them, and quantizing means sets a grid, so it will kind of put it in time. But obviously with Logic and stuff like that, sometimes it can sound robotic. But this is why we can use swing, make it more human kind of thing, and you can play around with it. But I'll just keep it simple. So in the key of F. Here we go. My gosh. Very well. Yeah, so you can play around with this kind of thing. You can put extra notes in, and really you play visually. Like I look at things visually, and you kind of get the hang of what will sound like what when you start like understanding where sort of notes will go, kind of thing. That's a little bit more complex, but if you want to kind of put a melody line over that, you can do. With you can put like some 8 notes in, this kind of thing. Oh, we don't want that. Might not sound great, but you can just again just play around. It's out of time, but you get the gist. So I'll leave you with that one, and if you think they're pretty, if you like these tutorials, just let me know and I can just do some more and send them you personally and just help you out. So nice one.